wiki.easybid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best cap and rotor kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. If you're on a tight budget, the NTK3D1090 is a good option. Made with OEM equivalent materials, it's durable and should serve the average car owner's purposes. It offers a fast and easy installation and is a plain but functional design. However, you don't get a warranty with it. At number 9, the ACDelco D329A is the General Motors recommended replacement for the original component on GMC 8-cylinder engines. Its inserts are designed for a tight fit to ensure maximum conductivity between the distributor towers and spark plug wires. Its anti-arc barrier prevents misfires, and the cap's locator keys are easy to read, but the aluminum inserts corrode over time. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Potronix Heid4000 includes a dust cover that creates a large insulating air gap around the ignition coil, resulting in a cooler operating temperature during strenuous engine use. It's a good choice if you own a high-performance vehicle. It comes in red or blue with hold-down screws, but it doesn't come with a coil cover. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybid.com. Go there now and search for cap and rotor kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, like most good packages, the Taylor Cable 918132 is made of a heavy-duty dielectric material, helping it resist cross-firing and arcing when running a motor at high RPMs. Unfortunately, it's illegal to use on emissions-controlled vehicles. It comes in fire engine red with a manufacturer's warranty, but the rotor contact is poorly attached. Moving up our list to number 6. Boasting brass inserts and stainless steel rotor springs, the big Autoparts D329A is a heavy-duty model designed for heavy-duty General Motors Vortec V8 engines. It comes from a TS 16949 certified manufacturer. It's suitable for all transmissions and is good value for the price. However, the screws could be better quality. Halfway up our list at number 5. The Quicksilver 805759Q3 is specifically designed for 8-cylinder engines used in marine environments. The blend of polybutylene and polyethylene plastics means that the housings are highly resistant to warping and can withstand high temperatures. It's made with solid brass tips and a cork gasket, and it resists electrical interference. At number 4, the Hypertech 4060 is designed to fit tightly, which means good insulation and more power for your motor. The company backs all of its accessories with a 1-year limited warranty. Nylon screws hold down the rotor and no modifications are needed. It has a dielectric cap for stability. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, coming from one of the most recognized names in high-performance ignition system parts, the MSD 8482 is molded from voltage insulating materials and includes a useful top for locking terminal wires in place. It features low-resistance brass and a bright red exterior, and it resists carbon tracking. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybid.com. Go there now and search for cap and rotor kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, if your stock part just isn't cutting it, the Mallory 208M is an upgrade worth considering. Developed specifically for the manufacturer's own 32 and 42 series distributors, but guaranteed for most V8 engines, it's a premium product from a respected company. It includes a cap for spark plug wires and is impact resistant. A rotor is sold separately. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the accel 8132ACC features corrosion-resistant terminals and steel rotor springs for optimal energy flow. It's reasonably priced too, so you can justify the upgrade. It boasts a stress-relieved housing and protects against misfires, and it can be used with high-output systems. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybid.com. Go there now and search for cap and rotor kits, or simply click beneath this video.